What if I told you that the hardest money you'll ever make is your first 100,000? And no, it's not because people are lazy. It's because of something almost nobody understands. Money doesn't grow linearly. It grows silently. Then suddenly, right now, millions of people are grinding, saving, working hard, but they feel like nothing is changing. Their bank account barely moves. Their investments feel slow, and they start asking, am I behind? But here's the truth no one tells you. You're not behind, you're just early in the curve. The first milestone, $100,000. For most people happens between age 30 to 35. But this stage feels brutal because your money is still weak. 10,000 invested returns only 1,000. Your progress depends on income savings and discipline. You are doing all the heavy lifting yourself. This is why most people quit here. It feels slow. It feels unfair. It feels not working. But this phase builds everything. The second milestone, $500,000. Most people reach this around age 40 to 45. Now the game starts feeling different. Your money starts working with you. 10% return becomes 50,000 per year. That is not small anymore. That is life-changing. For the first time, you feel momentum. This is where people finally believe it works. But most never reach this stage because they quit during the first phase. Humans are terrible at understanding slow progress. We expect results early and quickly. When we don't see it, we assume it's broken, but wealth rewards consistency, not speed. Consistency is boring, repetitive, and slow. That is why most people fail. The final milestone, $1 million. Most reach this between 45 to 55. The speed now becomes shocking. Going from 500,000 to 1 million becomes faster. Your money now does most of the work. 1 million generates 100,000 yearly. That is an entire salary without working more. Now everything flips completely. You stop chasing money. Money starts chasing you. Most people never even reach 100,000. Not because they cannot, but because they stop. They increase lifestyle instead of investments. They chase quick wins instead of long-term growth. Wealth is not about how fast you start. It is about how long you stay in the game. The timeline looks slow, slow. Then suddenly everything changes. The people who win are the ones who do not quit. If you feel behind, you are not. You are just in the hardest phase. Effort feels high. Results feel low. Doubt feels loud. But if you keep going, everything changes. One day, you will look back and understand the slow years made everything possible.